What's happening all, and welcome into another lesson. In today's lesson we are going to be looking at Led Zeppelin, the Crunge. Now first of all, is it the most difficult Led Zeppelin track to learn? In my opinion, no, actually it's not. It's got a couple of little secrets, let's call them, in it, which make it a little bit more difficult to understand when you listen to it. But once you understand those little secrets, it's actually fairly easy to play. So let's get straight stuck in. What we're going to do is we're going to break down the intro first of all, so you understand the main groove, and then I'm going to explain how the actual song starts, because there's a little part of the start that throws the listener out. So the main part is in a strange time signature, right? So it's in 9/8. Now if I play a groove in 4/4, which I'm sure you all are well of, something like this, my hi-hats were playing 8th notes, and I'm playing 8 of them. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, if I do 9/8, you've just got to add one more of those on the end. So I'd now go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. And that's all 9/8 is, all right? What happens in this track is there's a nice little turnaround at the end of 6 notes. So we kind of get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the 7, there's kind of like, well, I'm going to teach you it as 6 to begin with. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll play it full out. So to practice that, we're going to put a metronome on. I've got a metronome here set so that it can count in 9s for me. And it's going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dugga, dugga, dugga. So that's the speed of the song, all right? Here we go. Now what's made this very interesting though is rather than playing digger, 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 just the first note is played. Now it's not played around the toms in this, like obviously I'm going to show that main pattern in. The first thing I've got to do though is get you to fully understand the rhythm. So if we take away the notes on the snare drum and I play this, I'm just wondering if I can air drum it. It actually doesn't make it much easier. So I'm going to play it with a metronome, a little bit slower. Now because I've got time now on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm hitting the snare on its own, I may as well hit the hi-hat as well. That's what the actual track does. That little end section, right, where we're playing 2 and 2, it actually goes right, right, left, left on the hi-hat like this. And there's a bass drum on the second note. So I think of it as a bounce triplet, which is these right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, with kind of a shuffle into it. So a bounce triplet like this. So if we go back one more note and practice that part, we get this. Put that on the end. Now we're real close to the actual beat. Now what's missing then is the open hi-hats and the double bass drum. So at the start, instead of playing 1 and 2, we actually get 1 and 2. So we're going to get, sorry, I should say that again. Instead of playing 1, 2, 3, we're going. Put that extra bass drum there. And then we've got the 3 open hi-hats. Now there's some other inner beats in there, some other extra little left hands. I would play something like this. Obviously you can put more in if you want. And that's it. That's the first beat done. And what throws people about this song completely is that the very first time he plays it, he doesn't start on note 1. He starts on the way we've been counting it today in 8th notes. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 5th note. So we go. And he simply comes in there. Now if I hit my sticks together for the first 4, then it kind of makes a bit of sense, doesn't it? If I do that with a metronome, hopefully it'll make a lot of sense for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the first groove in the track. So as I said, it's quite easy once you understand where that downbeat is. What happens for the whole of the intro section, the bass player adds in, and the guitar adds in, and the singer adds in, and then the very last bar, they suddenly throw in a bar of 4/4. And the bar of 4/4 is really easy to see because it's just 2 flams on the snare drum. But it follows the same format with those open hi-hats. So have a quick go over that, right? But you're not going to get the next section. You're certainly not going to get the transition from one section to the other until you've mastered that beat. So take a few moments now, just see if you can get that beat. We'll let these messages go by, and I'll teach you part 2 in one moment. In the next section of the song, what happens is we play in 4/4. I'm just having a look at my score, so I've got over there. So we go 4/4, 4/4, 4/4, and at the very end we throw in a bar of 9/8. Now that bar of 9/8, again, it's one that throws people. It happens twice in that format. I'll just play the part for you. I'm sure most people can figure out the 4/4 part, right? Just sight read that if you can figure your way through that. So that's the 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 3 and a 2 and a 3 and 1 and 2. But the second time, that little push, and it does that push twice. And what I do in my head, in 9/8 you could just count up to 9, but for me that blows my mind and I can't keep up with that. I just think of the ba ba ba, they're evenly spaced out. So I hit the first one, whatever the space is between the first and the second one, ba ba, I need that same amount of space again, ba, back to the start, and that's the 1. So the last bar would go like this. You could practice that with a metronome. I haven't done this actually. Let's see how this goes. So I just feel it rather than actually counting it. Let's have a go, see if I can do it with a metronome though. So 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. And before you know those little kind of secrets that they've thrown in that extra bar in there, this song is all over the place, isn't it? As soon as you know that you've just got 4, 4, 4, 9, 4, 4, 4, 9. Suddenly it's so much easier. Now, there's 3 loops of this section of the song, right? First 2 loops, exactly what we just did. Third loop, this is where it throws everyone. This is the final part of the song you need to know to be able to play this whole track. Is there's a bar of 6/8. Now 6/8 means you can emit 6 notes in the bar. It looks like this, and we get this pattern here. You could play all 4 of those on the snare. And what throws people on this section here is that it's going straight back to that intro that I taught you first of all, where we're playing in 9 again. So we start with that double bass drum. So the transition, let's say, will be this. I'm going to do it a little bit faster, right? I'll try it slow. That's the hardest transition in the track. Now at that point there, all you're doing is you're playing the stuff that you've already played. This time through, the bar of 4, if you remember in the end of the intro, he just throws in that bar of 4 where he does the 2 flams, where he did this. Instead of the 2 flams, it's just this. Then you're back into the next section, and on and on and on. So that hopefully that's cleared the track up for you. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. If you do think this is the most difficult song, or if you know another song that's much more difficult, then please let me know. If there's any other songs you'd like me to have a look at, I read all the comments. I can't promise that I can do every single song, but I do take note of some of the songs that you guys ask for, and I'll try and do my best to do some more for you. If you've got something out of this and you've enjoyed this, please subscribe. If you'd like to see the notifications first so you see when a new video comes out, hit the bell. And I'll see you all again next time. Thanks for watching. See you soon.